In a world that tells us beauty is on the outside, seems so cruel to me. With all the things I see you do, and how you lift me up and make life true. I can say beauty is where you shine inside. It's all the things you bring to light. It's in your eyes that keep me warm, in your voice that makes me strong, in your smile that gives me hope on endless miles along the road. Your beauty is the sweetest thing you do. It's how you lift me up all through and through. So if your mirror dares to stress you, and your wardrobe begs to test you, well, did I forget to mention that I love all your dimensions? I'm in love with your dimensions. Love all your dimensions. Yes, I love all your dimensions. I'm in love with your dimensions. You fight the storms back, keep me safe. You're gorgeous, you are brave. You are thunder, you are light. You are stunning and you're wise. And I love all your dimensions. I'm in love with your dimensions. Yes, I love all your dimensions. It's hard to see where the trail no longer leads. When I'm making, when I seek, when waves reach out from the sea, I can't fly 'cause you're in me. So if your mirror dares to stress you, or your wardrobe begs to test you, well, did I forget to mention that I love all your dimensions? You're the place where I belong. You're my music, my melody and song. Your beauty is where you glow inside. It's everything I felt that's right. You are perfect in my arms. I feel safe inside your charm. And I love all your dimensions. I'm in love with your dimensions. I love all your dimensions. Your dimensions.